Alright, so you just got you a new MIDI controller and you trying to figure out how to hook it up inside FL Studio. Then you clicked on the right video because that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. It's real easy to do. The first thing you want to do is come up here to your options and go to your MIDI settings. And if you already connected your MIDI controller, you should see it right here in your input. But if you haven't, you can go ahead and connect it. And now that I connected my MIDI controller, you can see my FL Key 37 showing up. And then what you want to do is just come right here and click Enable and do the same thing right here. And then your MIDI controller should be working. You can also have more than one MIDI controller hooked up at the same time. I got my FL Key 37 hooked up right now, but I'm gonna also hook up my other Novation MIDI controller that you see in the background. Alright, so you can see it added my Novation Launch Key 49. And again, you just come right here and click Enable. And the same thing again right here. And now I can play from either MIDI controller inside FL Studio. And you don't have to hit save or anything like that, so when you finish with everything, you can just go ahead and close this out. Alright, so that's how you connect your MIDI controller to FL Studio. I hope this video was able to help somebody out and get them started. Or if it was somebody that had two MIDI controllers and didn't know you can have them both hooked up at the same time, now you know that's something that you can do. Because for a while, I didn't know that you could do that. Now I got all my MIDI controllers hooked up. I can get on any one of them at any time and just start creating music. So make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.